Welcome to day 24 of Learn to Lead in 100 Days. Today we will learn about top soft skills that are required to be successful. As I mentioned yesterday, soft skills is not only for working professional, it is for every individual. Number 1. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is otherwise called as emotional quotient (EQ). Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand, recognize and manage your own feelings, as well as being able to understand and influence the emotions of others. For example, even if you're in a bad mood or having a bad day, you will be still able to control your emotions and lend a compassionate ear to someone when needed. Number 2. Communication. I have spoken a lot about communication. This is an important skill, yet it is overlooked. The ability to communicate effectively through written or verbal is very important in a workplace. What good are your ideas if you cannot communicate effectively? People who can communicate their ideas clearly, concisely, and persuasively are the ones who can get ahead in their career. Number 3. Problem solving. This is another crucial skill that is important in a workplace. Problems are inevitable. No matter what type of industry you are in, if you're able to solve the problem quickly and efficiently is a valuable asset. People who are good at problem solving will be able to see a bigger picture and come up with creative solutions. Number 4. Collaboration. Gone are those days when people could succeed by working alone. In recent days, collaboration and social skills are the key. People who are good at collaborating or the one who has the people skills will be able to work well with others and communicate effectively. They will be able to build relationship more strongly. They can also see the things from others' perspective and exercise strong verbal communication. I will be listing some more top skills tomorrow. As you listen to the video, double check yourself where you're lacking and start developing the skills. Not everyone is good at everything, but it is always good to develop the skills that is pulling you back from progressing. Hope this helps. Follow me for the next days. Learn to Lead in 100 Days. I'm your coach, Rosie Ayankutti. I'm on a learning challenge for 100 days under a title, Learn to Lead in 100 Days, where I will be sharing my knowledge for free. Subscribe to my channel to start your learning journey.